Okay, sorry, I'd reached maximum recording space on my memory card, so I'm just running through this again. Let's have a look there. Y is equal to a constant over x minus 1 cubed. 9.45 is equal to k over 3 minus 1 cubed. K is equal to 9.45 times 2 cubed, which is equal to 75.6. You end up with y is equal to 75.6 over x minus 1 cubed. So your final answers when x is equal to 4, you say 75.6 divided by 4 minus 1 cubed, which is 75.6 over 3 cubed, which is 2.8. And that is your answer for number 24. Leaving us with our final question. M raised to the negative 1 over 4 is equal to 27 m to the negative 1. So that simplifies to 1 over m to the quarter, which is equal to 27 over m. All right. So you multiply by m, both sides. And you can see over here that those two cancel. Okay, leaving us with m over m, and 1 quarter is equal to 27. So we are subtracting indices. So m raised to the 1 minus a quarter is equal to 27, and you end up with m raised to the power of 3 over 4 is equal to 27. Now, typically speaking, what you're actually doing here, and I'm doing a little test here for you to understand what's happening. So what we normally do is if you've got a number, you invert the indice and you raise it, and you get this number 81. And to test if this is true, if you raise 81 to the power of 3, you get 531,441. And if you find the quadroot of that number, so you want to find what is m. M is 81. But how do you do that? You just take the answer that you have here and you raise it to the inverted power over here, and it gives you 81. But to test, I'm going to say m, right, cubed. If we're saying m is 81, m cubed, 81 cubed is that. The quadroot of that number is 27. So the number you're looking for is what number cubed, and then we find the quadroot of it, and that's the number is 81. But the best way to do it is just to take this answer here and raise it to the 4 over 3 on your calculator, and you'll get 81 as your answer. But they are just a little test so that you can see that it actually works out quite nicely. And that's your final answer, 81. So all the best as you prepare for your final paper 2 mock. I trust that you're going to do extremely well in that paper.